Hey guys, so today we're trying out the Dashing Diva 3D nail stickers, the ones that have the holographic like stars and silver like moon design. They're really pretty, love them. I already did them with right hand just because it does take me a little bit longer to do this because I'm right-handed. So yeah, anyways, this time I'm using normal nail polish because if you guys have seen my other videos, I've been obsessed with their nail stickers, but I wanted to give my nail a little bit of a break because of the adhesive and stuff. So yeah, today we're going to be using the Olive in June, the shade LD. Such a beautiful color, love them. So yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, I'm also using their little nail tool thing that makes it easier to put on the nail polish. I don't know, I haven't decided yet if it's that helpful. Okay, so I did the 2 coats. Honestly, like I said, their nail polish is so beautiful. You don't even have to do 2 if you don't want to. I think with 1 is pretty good, but I did 2. Just giving that a few minutes to dry up. But I know that I did some little oopsies on the side, so I have my Olive in June brush. You don't have to buy it from them. When I bought the kit, it came with it, so yeah, you don't have to get it from their store. You can use pretty much any brush. So yeah, I have their nail polish remover. I also like this very much. I think I'm almost out of this. Hopefully I have enough so I could clean up the edges. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one on the thumb. That's cute. For top coat, I'm using the Olive in June. Okay, so once you're done, I'm gonna take my dry drops again and add them onto the and yeah, just gonna let that dry for a little bit. Okay, so I'll let you guys know how long they last on my fingers. I just wanted to try the 3D stickers on regular nail polish, and then I know that I said that I wasn't gonna buy the solid stickers, like the solid colors, but doing my nails with normal nail polish, I'm like over it. I'm obsessed with the stickers. I think I'm gonna be wearing them all the time. So I'm gonna get the solid colors and try the 3D stickers on them. So yeah, but they're really pretty. They're so cute. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.